Looks like the front seal blew out too.
And they say it wouldn't fit on my lift. Now, I've consulted with my partner here, and he feels that that transmission pan needs to come down. We need to discard that fluid. We need to put a new transmission filter in it. And yes, these transmissions have filters in them. Now that would be transmission fluid.
go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like...
Say hi to the camera so you can be on the vlog.
Oh, hey. Nice. Well, shit ain't looking good, Chris. Looks like the front seal blew out too. Probably got to pull this damn thing out again. Shit.
Hey man, can you tell the viewers like and subscribe? He's not gonna tell you all that. Anyways, like and subscribe. See you next time.